हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 जनरल साइंस के लेसन नंबर 2 की एक्सरसाइज देखने वाले हैं। लेसन का नाम है द लिविंग वर्ल्ड। दोस्तों, अगर आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना ताकि आपको अगले वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। तो चलो हम आज के इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, राइट द आंसर टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन योर ओन वर्ड्स। A. What are the differences between plants and animals? Answer is, plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, hence they are called autotrophs. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They obtain food from plants or other animals, hence they are called heterotrophs. Plants show some movements, but they cannot change their place on their own. Animals show various movements and change their place on their own will. Plants show growth till they are alive. The growth does not stop in between. Animals show growth only till a specific period. Plants have chlorophyll and they can perform photosynthesis. Animals do not have chlorophyll, thus they cannot perform photosynthesis. Plants reproduce with the help of seeds, stem or leaves. Animals reproduce either by laying egg or by giving birth to young ones. B. What are the similarities between plants and animals? Answer. Plants and animals are both living things. Most of the characteristics of living things are seen in the both of them. Growth, respiration, excretions, responsiveness to stimuli and reproduction are the common characteristics in both of them. Plant body is also made up of cells just like that of the animal body. Thus both have cellular structure. Animals and plants both need water and nutrients for survival. C. How is the plant kingdom useful to us? Answer. We use plant materials in most of our daily routine. Plants provide us with food in the form of grains, fruits, vegetables, etc. Some plants like waska, hirda, behda, asparagus are of medicinal importance, which we use as home remedies for minor illness. Some plants are used for industrial purpose. Plants provide us with timber and wood, which are used in making furniture and houses. Plants like cotton and jute provide us with fibers. In this way, all the basic need of man, that is food, shelter and clothing, are fulfilled by plants. How is the animal kingdom useful to us? Answer. Domesticated animals are useful to us in many ways. Animals provide us with food in the form of milk, meat, eggs, etc. The occupation like poultry, dairy, fishery are depend on animals. Animals like oxen, horse and camel are used for transportation. Earthworm help in decomposition of waste and makes the soil fertile. It is thus a friend of the farmers. Some insects like honeybees, lac insect, silk moth are useful to mankind. What make living things different from non-living things? Answer. In living things we can see growth, feeding, respiration, excretions, responsiveness to stimuli, movement and reproduction. Living being also show death. All such characteristics are not seen in non-living things. This marks the difference between living and non-living things. Question second. What help them to breathe? A fish, gills. A snake, lungs. A crane, lungs aided with air sac. An earthworm, skin, cuticles. Man, lungs, diaphragm help in breathing. Banyan tree, tiny paws on the leaves. A caterpillar, spiracles. Question 3. Fill in the blanks with the proper words from the brackets. The process by which plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. To inhale oxygen and to exhale carbon dioxide is called respiration. The elimination of waste substance from the body is called excretion. The ability to respond to an event is called stimuli to responsiveness. On completing their lifespan, every living thing dies. Question 4. Write the uses of these animals and plants. Animals. Honeybees. Honeybees collect nectar from the flowers and convert into honey. Honey is stored in a bee hive. Beeswax and honey are the useful products for us. Honey can be used in confectionery and as medicine. Honeybee help in pollination of the plants and thus are helpful for farmers and orchard owners. Shark. Shark liver oil is obtained from sharks. Shark meat is also used as food. Shark fins are in great demand in foreign countries as is it considered as a delicacy. Skin of shark is used for making some items. Shark meat is also used in cattle and poultry feed. Yak. Yak are mainly used as a beast of burden and a means of transport in hilly and snow-clad region. In Nepal, in Tibet, yak are used for ploughing the field. Yak meat is consumed in some remote areas. Yak milk and the cheese known as churpi as well as yak butter are widely used in Tibet. Yak dung is used as fuel. Sheep. Sheep provide us with wool. At some place, sheep meat is used as food. Sheep milk is used by the shepherd community. From the excreta or pellets of sheep, a good quality fertilizer is obtained. Since sheep have the habit of grazing, they are used for clearing the vegetation. Earthworms. Earthworms wriggle through the soil. They help in decomposition of dead and decaying remains of animals and plants. They loosen the soil. With the help of earthworm, vermicomposting of the degradable waste is also done. Due to earthworm, soil becomes fertile. Therefore, they are considered as friend of farmers. Dogs. Dog is a loyal and faithful animal and considered as the best friend of man. Dog guard the house and properties of his owner. Sniffer dogs are trained to track narcotics and explosives. Due to this, they are in the team of police and army. Dogs play with children and entertain them. Dogs are also used for medical research. Bivalves. Bivalves is the soft-bodied animal inside the two shells. These shells are made up of calcium carbonate. These shells have multiple uses. Decorative articles are made from this. The crushed shells are also used in building material. In medicinal preparations, the shell are used. The soft animal inside the shell is considered as a delicacy. Pearls are cultured inside the shell of bivalve called pearl oyster. Horse is used as means of transport since olden days. They also draw carts and carriages in army and police force too. Horses are used. Racing of horses is also a sport. Mice are more harmful than being useful. They destroy the food and also cause transmission of diseases like plague. However, they are used in biology labs as the experimental animals. Plants. Ginger is used in various dishes. It is also used a popular medicine. Ginger extract is a remedy for all kinds of aches and pains. Dried ginger powder, soot, is of great medicinal value. As a home remedy, ginger and soot are safely used against headache, nausea, acidity. Mango is considered as the king of fruit. Mango ripen during summer season. They contain very high level of vitamin A and fructose sugar. Various products are prepared from mangoes such as mango juice, pulp, ice cream, squash, pickles, etc. Leaves of mango tree are considered to be sacred by Hindus. They are used in religious events. Eucalyptus. The oil obtained from leaves of the trees have medicinal value. Even the dried leaves are of some use. The eucalyptus oil is a remedy for cold and fever. It is also used as a astringent. It wards off the foul smell. The bark of the eucalyptus tree is also used. Its stem is used for making paper. Babul, acacia. The leaves and legumes of the babul trees are used as cattle feed. The delicate twigs of the trees are used for cleaning teeth. Due to thorny nature, the branches of babul are used for making compounds and enclosures. The gum oozing out from the barks of the trees is in great demand. The wood of babul is very tough and hence used in shipbuilding. Teak wood is used for making furniture. Teak is therefore in great demand. Wood from teak is used in house building for making doors and windows. To supply this demand, the Indian Forest Department cultivates teak trees on a large scale. Spinach is a very popular green leafy vegetable. It contains many vitamins and minerals and is rich in iron. Consuming spinach regularly keeps us in good health. Spinach is said to enhance health of heart and it is also boost the memory. It is also good remedy to relieve constipation. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant. The sap and juice of aloe vera is very effective against different skin infection, cuts, bruises, burns and wounds. Consuming aloe vera juice regularly gives relief in digestive complaints. Aloe vera is also used in treatment of diabetes and cancer. The gel of aloe vera is used in cosmetic products. Turmeric is regularly used in daily cooking. It has many medicinal properties. Turmeric is effective in wound healing as it has antiseptic properties. It is also germicidal. It is used in cosmetics. Cough and cold can be effectively cured by consuming milk with turmeric powder in it. Holy basil. Holy basil is a medicinal herb. In the Hindu religion, holy basil is considered to be very auspicious. Juice obtained from leaves of basil plant cure many diseases. Basil plant keep the insect away. In olden day, every courtyard used to have a basil plant. The dried stem of basil yield beads, which are used by saints in Ayurveda. Many medicines are prepared from basil. In Thailand, basil is used in cooking for a particular flavor from Karpur Tulsi. Variety of basil. The oil is extracted. Karanja. From the tree, fruit, leaves, roots, bark, seeds and twig of karanja, oil is extracted. Ayurvedic medicines which are effective on a variety of diseases are obtained from karanja tree and seeds of karanja. Karanja is also used for the manufacture of biodiesel. Karanja is also used as fuel wood. Moha. The tree of moha are seen in the forest area. From the seeds and flowers of moha tree, medicines and other extracts are obtained. The oil from moha tree is effective in headache, skin infection and rheumatism. In Gadchiroli district of Maharashtra, jam is prepared from the flower of moha tree. Among tribal folk, wine made from moha is very popular. Mulberry. The mulberry tree is of special importance for the occupation of sericulture. Silkworms feeds on mulberry leaves during its development. Then it converts itself into a cocoon. From the cocoon, silk is obtained. Therefore, for every sericulture unit, cultivation of mulberry trees is considered to be an important task. The fruit of mulberry are eaten fresh or in dried form. Wine from mulberry fruit is extracted. Grape wine. The popular grapes are the fruit of grape wine. Grapes are eaten fresh or are dried to make resin from them. Medicines are also manufactured from grapes. Wine is prepared from grape. The seedless grapes from Maharashtra are exported. Question 5. What are the peculiarities of the movements of these living things? Snakes. Snakes do not have legs. They creep on the ground by contraction and relaxation of their body muscles. They move from one place to another. Tortoise. Tortoise have claws on their limbs. They too creep on the ground with a very slow speed. They cannot move fast as their shell is very bulky and heavy, which makes their movement clumsy and slow. Kangaroos. The two powerful hind limbs and a supporting tail makes kangaroo jump from one place to another. It can move faster due to this jumping habit. Eagles. Eagles can fly high in the sky. The wings of eagles are strong and powerful. The tapering body is highly adapted for flight. Chameleons. All the four limbs of chameleon are comparatively shorter and weak. Their body is bulky, therefore they creep with their four legs, and the movement is also supported by their tail and claws. Frog. Frogs are seen in the vicinity of water. When in water they swim with the help of hind limbs. There is also a web membrane between the digits of the limbs. When on land, they jump with the help of two hind limbs. These are muscular and powerful. The front two forelimbs help in balancing during movements. Dolphins. Dolphin is an inhabitant of seas. It can efficiently swim with the help of trippers and streamlined body. Since it is a mammal, it cannot breathe in the water, and thus for every inhalation and exhalation it rises to the surface of water. It looks like as if it is trying to jump out. One can easily notice a jumping dolphin when the sea is calm. Rattlesnake glides at a great speed through the sand. Its movements are popularly known as slide winding. The snake moves on its sides when it is gliding further. Ant, being an insect, has 6 legs. It can walk fast on these 6 legs. Grasshoppers fly in the sky with the help of 2 pairs of wings. Moreover, they have 3 pairs of walking legs, out of which the third and last pair is very strong. The first 2 pairs of legs help in balancing the body, while the strong third pair helps to jump. Grasshopper can even jump a distance of 1 meter due to its modified and strong legs. Earthworms have cuticle over the body. There are small structure called setae. With the help of setae, cuticle and muscles, earthworm can wriggle through the soil. Gulmohar is a large tree. It cannot change its place. Throughout the day, its leaflets are spread out in horizontal fashion, but at the sunset they droop down and close towards the stimulus of sunlight. The leaflets show the responsiveness. Sweet potato creeper needs support since the stem is very delicate. It tries to find some support and then goes on spreading. If there is no support, the sweet potato creeper is seen spreading on the ground. As soon as there is any support, it tries to bend toward it. Question 6. Write in detail about how the plants and animals found in your surroundings prove useful or harmful. Answer. There are many plants and animals in our surrounding. Some of them are useful to us, therefore we domesticate and take care of such animals. Some of them are harmful. We try to regulate their population by keeping control. Similarly, the useful plants are cultivated and taken care of, but the harmful plants are eradicated from our vicinity. We remove the Parthenium and weeds from the garden. Useful animals. For farming and transport we need oxen, horses, yak, camel. For milk we keep cows and buffaloes. We obtain meat from fowl and goats. Pets such as dog and cats are all useful animals. Harmful animals. Mosquitoes, flies, fleas, lice and similar such insects spread the diseases. Some insects spread skin infection. Rats and mice destroy our food. Poisonous animals like snake and scorpions can kill a person. Wild animals like leopards can kill our pets. Domestic animals or even human beings if they enter the human settlements. Elephants and monkeys from nearby forest areas can cause damage to crops and fruit trees. Useful plants. The food which we consume daily is obtained from plants. Rice, dal, chapatis, bread, fruits and vegetables all are obtained from plants. Agriculture and horticulture are entirely dependent on plants. Harmful plants, pods of nettle, colocasia leaves cause itching. Plants like oleander and lantana have very strong repelling odor. The datura plant is poisonous. Some weeds destroy farmlands. Some algae show uncontrolled growth in the water bodies and may destroy it completely. दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें और अगला वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।